In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve an authentication problem. The requested function is not supported. When we attempt to connect to the remote server, we get the error message. This could be due to CredSSP Encryption Oracle Remediation. Usually, a mismatch in Network Level Authentication or Credential Security Support Provider (CredSSP) settings is the cause of this issue. I demonstrate the two simple ways to solve this in this video. Method 1. To open the File Explorer, press Windows key +E. Next, navigate to this computer, right-click on it, and select Properties. The Advanced System Setup click Navigate to the Remote tab, then select only PCs using Remote Desktop with Network Level Authentication should be able to connect, recommended. Next, apply OK. Check to log in via RDP now. Does it function or not? As you can see, the problem hasn't been resolved. If this approach doesn't work for you, that's okay. Let's go on to method 2 now. The second method is to modify the Oracle Remediation encryption setting. Type pedit.msc after pressing Windows key +R, then click OK. Another way to access the group policy is to search for Edit Group Policy and then click on it. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Credentials Delegation. Locate Encryption Oracle Remediation on the right side and double-click to enable it. If your option isn't configured or disabled by default, change it here. You may read this material to learn more about the Encryption Oracle Remediation setting and its operation. Here select and change the protection level to Vulnerable. And apply the change. Click on OK. Restarting the computer is the most effective way to implement the modification. This step is just for recap. Now that everything is finished, it's time to see if it worked. Look up RDP, enter the server username and password, and then click OK. Then click Yes. As you can see, I am able to access the faraway server. The problem has been resolved. In the end, this movie works with the latest versions of Windows OS, including Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. For home editing, it doesn't work. I've included all the instructions in the description video section. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you solve the problem, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Goodbye.